In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kalodata Creator Analytics. By the end, you'll know how to find the platform, log in, navigate the creator dashboard, filter by country and category, spot fast-growing creators, explore their videos, live streams, and products, follow them for ongoing tracking, and export lists on desktop for outreach. Start by opening your browser and searching for Kalodata. When the results appear, choose the official site. A quick tip: double-check the URL so you're definitely landing on the legitimate platform. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log in with your credentials. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to rely on it for speed and security. From the top menu, select the Creator tab. This takes you to the main creator list page, which is your hub for discovering and analyzing creators. Before diving in, look to the upper right corner for the flag icon. Click it to switch to the country you want to analyze. This ensures the rankings, revenue estimates, and product data reflect the market you care about. Now, use the filtering tools to narrow your list. You can focus on categories like women's clothing or electronics and filter by performance metrics such as total revenue. Start broad to get a sense of the landscape, then refine as patterns emerge. Keep an eye on time ranges too, since that can influence what looks hot versus what has sustained traction. Within the list, pay special attention to weekly growth. High weekly growth is a strong signal of momentum. Scan the growth column or sort by it if available, and shortlist creators who are accelerating quickly. When you find someone interesting, click their name to open the detailed data page. In the Videos section, review which short videos are driving the most sales and engagement. Look for repeatable elements, hooks, formats, or product angles that correlate with strong conversions. Next, head to live streams. Here you can view revenue from recent live sessions. If you want to study upcoming tactics more closely, apply for future live stream recordings so you can review their pacing, offers, and call-to-action strategies after the event. Move to the Products tab to see which items the creator sells successfully. Identify their top performers and note any price points or bundles that consistently move volume. If you'd like to track a creator over time, click the Follow button on their profile. They'll be saved to your My Following section on the Explore page, making it easy to revisit their performance. Finally, on a PC, you can export creator lists, including contact information, to support outreach and collaboration. Keep exports organized, verify details before contacting, and follow best practices for respectful communication.